What is the name or type of your group?
Ayan. The type of my group is the Family History Group, which is the Latter-day Saints group. And another question?
And paano ito na-establish ng the Latter-day Saints?
Ayan. This was established by the Latter-day Saints to search the ancestors, wherein even though they are already gone, or we will have again the connection if we search their generations.
So, ano ang goals ng inyong group or ano yung mga ginagawa ng mga groups mo tuwing nagkikita-kita kayo?
So, we have the so-called family history research.
And then, may mga ginagawa ba kayong mga programs like the relief programs or any kind of sports activities pag kayo nagkikita-kita?
No, we are only focused in searching their ancestors through the so-called genealogy.
So, may mga rules ba kayo sa grupo na kung saan different from other groups or may mga rules ba ang inyong group? For example, rules na kunyari, bawal kayong kung sa school, no cheating in our group. Sa grupo nyo, ano yung rules na meron kayo?
Yes. We do not have rules. We do not have rules because working our family history is individual work. We are individual searching for our own individual ancestors.
Why do you think members join and stay in your group? Or bakit sila tumatagal sa grupo na ito?
Yes, because they are interested to know their ancestors.
And what do you think we benefits from getting parts of this group? Or ano yung makukuha namin if ever na sumali kami sa inyong group?
Yes. If you in our group, so the benefit is you will know your genealogy. You will know your grandparents. And the benefit of is because our church has the ordinances being performed if we search those generations in order to connect our family ancestors even they are already gone.
And ano yung mga challenges ng mga member na sometimes na i-encounter nyo while doing this family genealogy search?
So our challenges is we are happy to know our grandparents.
So, may time bang nagkaroon kayo ng problema within the records na nawawala?
Yes.
And
Yes.
also
because we are sometimes having difficulties especially those grandparents in the ano nga to? So mga they are already old, and we are find difficulties in finding our grandparents, true grandparents, and grandparents again back. Ayun nga ang problema.
It is because malalayo na.
Yes,
So,
because
hindi na
even especially your grandparents born in the year 1500s. Because we are searching our genealogy, going back to Jesus Christ. So they were already very very long period of time. Because that's why until now we are not yet finished in doing that genealogy, and we are always searching, so on and so on.
So this what do you think is the importance na malaman natin yung genealogy natin?
Yes, because if we will know our genealogy, we can have perform to them the ordinances that they were not yet done. Because as being Latter-day Saints, we have those ordinances that the other religion do not have. We are having the so-called temple, that the ordinances only can be performed in the temple, and they are not being performed in the ordinary church.
So thank you sa pag-participate sa aking interview about the social group na meron tayo dito sa Philippines.
Done.